Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted messages on Discord. In Discord, the messages that you deleted can be restored. Just follow these simple steps. Firstly, on your preferred browser, go to discord.com and log into your account. Then go to Google and search for Ladies Better Discord. Click on the first link that appears in your search. On the new page that appears, look for plugin called Message Logger V2, which saves all of your deleted messages. Now click on the download button. Once the download is complete, simply go back to your screen account and go to your user settings found at the bottom left corner of your screen. On the user settings page, go to the connections where you will be able to integrate all your download files. The default way is to scroll down on the left side menu where you will find the plugin tab where you can install the plugin. Now you will be able to find the deleted messages using the plugin. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.